So how does innocent spouse relief work? Well, there are three types. Innocent spouse relief is authorized under Code Section 6015, 6015. And there are three types, 6015B, C, and F. Now, which one you're going to use depends on what kind of relief you need and the taxpayer's situation. So, for instance, 6015B, just innocent spouse relief, basically is where the spouse can show that they had no reason to know about it and didn't benefit from it, and can request the relief within 2 years of when collection activity begins. There's no requirement for them to be divorced. If relief is granted, there'll be an allocation of the liability based on the percentage of income each brought into the household. 6015C is complete separation of liability. They'll be treated as if they were married filing separate. But for 6015C relief, they either have to be divorced or legally separated for at least 12 months. So in that case, and again, relief has to be requested within 2 years. 6015F is simply equitable relief based on all the factors the person deserves relief. That one, 6015F, there is no 2-year requirement. So if you have taxpayers who need to seek relief and they've been in collection for a while, or finally IRS has caught up with them and it's more than 2 years, you're kind of stuck with 6015, 6015F. The other time you need to use 6015F is if it's not an understatement of liability, it's an underpayment issue. So for instance, if the returns were filed and they're accurate as filed, but they simply can't pay, you have to use 6015F. Both 6015B and 6015C require there to be an erroneous item on the return. Okay? If it's purely they can't pay, but the return was accurate as filed, they have to use 6015F. So that's a very quick overview of the different types of relief and when you're going to use one versus the other. It's really driven by your taxpayer's situation.